How to log application on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to log any application in your Windows 11, first of all you need to have another application as a secret folder, and with that application you can log other application in your laptop or in your PC. So for that, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with and on the search bar type in osoft.net. Now once you search for it, you will land on this official web page. Now if you navigate to the menu bar, at the top of this interface there is a secret folder. Hover your mouse over there and from here click on download option. Here scroll down a bit and again there you will see a download option. So click on download again. Now from here again choose the secret folder, then click on download. After that, this folder is downloaded in your laptop, so click on it to open up and set it up in your Windows 11. Now you have to set up the language, so select your language and click on OK. From here choose I accept the agreement, then click on next. Now once the setup is complete, you will have this pop-up box in your interface. So first of all you have to create any password, so create a new password. Under that, confirm a password. Now you have to add a recovery email address for the recovery service. Under that, confirm it. After you're done with this, click on OK. Then you will have this pop-up box in your interface again. Now from here you can add any application that you would like to lock in your Windows 11. Here at the top you will see add option, so click on it. Now you have to choose the application from your device. I will choose the application from here. Here I have this application as Yoho Play, so I would like to lock this. Then click on OK. Here I have logged this Yoho Play, and whenever I open this Yoho Play in my Windows 11, an error message will pop up. It says problem with shortcut. Now to log another application, for example I want to log the Google Chrome, so again click on this add option and then select Google Chrome from your device. This PC, local disk C, and then program files. From here I will select the Google Chrome. Here I have this, then click on OK. Now I have logged Google Chrome as well. Now whenever I will open this Chrome, it will pop up an error message. So that's how you can log. Now if you like to unlock, simply select the application that you would like to unlock, then click on this unlock option and it will get unlocked again. So that's how you can log application in Windows 11 with secret folder. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.